In order to create a video with a picture-in-picture effect, one in which your viewers can both see you and your visuals at the same time, you have several technology options. I'll show you two of them today, Screencast-o-matic and Zoom. If you don't already have one or both of these programs downloaded, you can find links to download them on the library's Digital and Multimedia Guide. To get to this guide, go to the library homepage, click on Subject Guides, then click on Guides by Type, Topic Guide, and Digital Multimedia Tools Guide. You'll find many tools and ideas on this guide that will be helpful in creating digital projects of all kinds. For screencasting tools, you obviously want the menu that says Screencasting and Screen Capture. You'll see on this page there are several options for you to explore, including the two we will use today, Screencast-o-matic and Zoom. Let's start with Screencast-o-matic. You'll have to download the program. In order to do this, click on the Screencast-o-matic link, and it'll take you to their page. On this page, click Record for Free, and then Launch Free Recorder. At this point, your computer will download the program, and depending on what browser you're using, that may look slightly different. This could take a couple of minutes, depending on your system. Once the program is launched, there will be a dashed outline on your screen. This shows you the section of your screen that will be recorded once you begin recording. You can resize this box by pulling the sides and corners and making it as big or as small as you like. If you're wanting to show a PowerPoint presentation, for example, you'll likely want to record the whole screen so that you can be in present mode. If you want to record only half the screen so you can have a script on the other half, say, you could do that like so. In the record window that pops up when you launch the program, you'll see various options. You'll see that the maximum recording time is 15 minutes, and you can choose whether or not to record your computer's narration. So you can see right now the green bars are flashing because I'm talking and the microphone's picking it up. So you can decide whether or not to record that. You're not able to record your computer's audio with the free version. No background music or sound effects, although you could add those after the fact when you're editing your video. And then up at the top here, it gives you the option that is the most important for the picture-in-picture feature, which is it allows you to choose to record either the screen, your webcam, or both. For the picture-in-picture effect, you should choose both. Once you do that, you'll see this little square pops up on the bottom of the screen here for the webcam, and it tells you to select which webcam to use. So on my computer, I have a couple of different options. I'm going to choose just the webcam for my computer that's called Integrated Webcam, and you'll then see that the video webcam pops up. You can flip the image if you want so that it's a picture rather than a mirror image. So if I do that, you'll see that it looks more like it would look if I were in a picture as opposed to when I'm looking in a mirror. Whenever you're happy with it, go ahead and click OK to continue. And then you'll see down on the bottom of your screen here that your webcam recording appears. And then go ahead and open your visual. I have a PowerPoint presentation here that I have open in Google Slides. Make sure that your recording window is sized so that it will get your full presentation. Oops. Capturing the entire slide, and my webcam is still on the bottom here. And then once you are ready to record, once you have your visual up, you have your webcam set up, go ahead and just click record. It will give you a countdown, 3, 2, 1, and then it will begin recording. If you need to take a break, you can hit the pause button, and you'll see that then your recording stops. Continue where you left off, then you just hit record again. If you mess up and you want to delete what you've done and start over, you hit the pause button and then click this trash can icon. As you can see, this says it will delete everything and start over. When you're finished, click the pause button and click done. You can choose to either edit your video using Screencast-o-matic's editor tool or save your video and use another more robust editing software to edit. So I'm going to click to save and upload. and then it shows me my video and it gives me various options, including uploading to YouTube or Google Docs. But the most straightforward is to simply save your video as an MP4 video file. So that's what I'm going to do. When you click Save as File, it will give you various options, including to change the file name here. And then you click under Folder to browse where you want it to save. I'm just going to save it on my desktop. And then you can choose whether to have the cursor be highlighted in your video or not. So if you're doing a demonstration where the cursor is moving around and you want the viewer to be able to follow the cursor, then you might want to turn this on. But if you're just doing a PowerPoint presentation where the cursor might be a distraction, you can choose to not see the cursor. Once you have chosen all your settings, you just click Publish and your video will be saved. To achieve the same picture-in-a-picture effect in Zoom, you'll need to start a meeting where you're the only attendee and then share your screen. So open up Zoom and then click New Meeting, and this will start a new meeting in which you are the only attendee. And what you want to do is make sure that you're unmuted so that your microphone is being picked up and that your video is started so that it picks up both your video webcam and your microphone. And then you'll want to record your meeting. So begin recording the meeting by clicking the record button in the tray at the bottom here and choose where you want to save the recording when you're done. And then share your screen and make sure to share your visuals for your presentation. And again, in order for your webcam to also display the video of yourself speaking at the same time as you are sharing your screen of your presentation, make sure that your video is turned on and make sure that the sound is turned on. And so now your screen is being shared and your webcam is recording the video of you presenting. And so then put your PowerPoint into present mode. You can move this webcam box around. It won't affect actually where it is in the Zoom recording, as you'll see once we're done here. And then you just go through, as we did with Screencast-o-matic, and show your PowerPoint presentation, do your narration. And when you're recording, you'll see a certain view, but then the audience will see something slightly different. Once you end the meeting, Zoom will automatically convert the meeting recording to an MP4 file that you then can open up in another editing tool to work with further. So at the end of both of these processes, whether you use Screencast-o-matic or Zoom, the end result will be an MP4 file that you can either upload to YouTube if you're happy with it just the way it is, or submit it that way to your instructor in whatever way they choose, or you can open it up in a video editing tool of your choice. And that's it, a picture-in-picture presentation using either Screencast-o-matic or Zoom.